Ayan, very good. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili. And before na lang tayo bumalik sa ating upuan. And you will go back to your proper setting, yung responsibility.
Yeah.
Properly. Okay? So ano pa? Ano pa yung mga natutunan natin? Listening carefully. Yes.
Bago po siya pumunta sa ating counter. Para for payment na lang siya.
Happy ka? Are happy? Ik, look at mommy.
Then, for takeout, for example. For takeout, yeah. And then, the customer ordered iced coffee. Where's the iced coffee? Yeah. Vanilla. This is medium, then this is large. Pero gusto ni customer large. Ano order? And then, nagpa-add si customer ng fries. Kasi yung fries.
Eat that thing.
Shake fries na cheese. This one. And large. Yan, large. Then, add order. And then proceed to check out. Proceed to check out. This one. Not today. Not today. Pwede today. And then, tsaka mo na siya kumpitory kapag babayaran mo. Okay? Then, nag-order siya ng hot cake. Where's the hot cake? 2-piece with sausage, for example. With hash brown and drinks. With hash brown and drinks. Sige, with hash brown and drinks. Isa. And then, yung ano niya is iced coffee original. Yeah. Then, sorry. Ayan. So, nag-add ulit si customer ng strawberry with matcha. Where's the strawberry with matcha? Then add order.